Gentlemen, are you looking for a luxurious, warm, cozy, and elegant fragrance? Then look no further than the Taffa Pride's Eternal Oud. Beautiful bottle you'll see in the opening. So nice, just like the Taffa Pride does it. Now the spray is just masculine, and the scent. Now Eternal Oud is a warm amber vanilla fragrance that dries down in a gentle oud and resiny depth. Beautiful fragrance, sophisticated, luxurious, and nice fragrance for a man. You'll turn heads whenever you go. Now, the dupe for Eternal Oud is Madison Francis Karjan Grand Soir. I'll put up a picture for it as well so you can see what it is, but at a fraction of the price. This is much cheaper, and I can promise you the smell is just magnificent compared to the OG. Now, is Eternal Oud a make or break fragrance? This is a luxurious male make fragrance. I will rate this a great 8 out of 10. For a smell, it's just great. Longevity, 8 to 10 hours. And of course, the projection is strong to very strong. Very, very nice fragrance, guys. I promise you, you will enjoy it. I'll definitely say for the winter time, go out and get it. You won't be disappointed. So, gentlemen, please give us a follow for more great dupe reviews.